Hey, what is up, my dudes? I'm Katie, aka Fancy Flutie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are on day 8 out of 12 days of Christmas, so we're almost done, getting really close to the end. Today's look is one that I just had to do. You guys know, if you follow me on Instagram, that my favorite movie of all time is Nightmare Before Christmas, so today we're doing another Christmas Sally. So I think this is the 3rd year in a row that I've done a Christmas Sally, I think, so yeah, if you want to see me transform into Sally, then this is the video for you. But first, you guys know there's going to be a giveaway at the end of this video, so you guys need to know what the secret Christmas sweater of the day is. You probably can't tell yet, but it's different. You probably wouldn't expect it, but it is the 49ers. So yeah, I do enjoy sports and watching sports. Don't come for me if this isn't your team, but if it is your team, there you go. So San Francisco 49ers, secret Christmas sweater of the day. If you want, you guys can comment down below what your favorite team is if you also like football. So yeah. Before we get into the video, just make sure you give this video a like, please subscribe, and turn on your notifications because you're not going to want to miss any of the giveaways that are coming up. And yeah, let's just get into this Christmas Sally thing. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is just map out where the clothes are going to go so that when I do the blue skin, I'm not just doing it all over, you know? So I figured just putting down like the basic colors of the shirt first would be a good idea. So now we're going to move on to the face, and we're just putting this blue cream paint all over everything. And it was a really wet cream paint. So yeah, we're going to really powder that. Make sure you powder the eyebrows because they're glued down. Now we're using a white cream paint to highlight everything and then just powdering that shit good. Like, really powder it. And we're going to contour the nose a little bit. I didn't really want to do like Sally's actual pointy nose, kind of just doing like a cute version of her, I guess. Gonna bring down the color under the eyes, give her those big round eyes. You're using a dark blue and just shading way above, like up to the eyebrows, and then cutting the crease and adding a cute little like shimmer light blue shade. Just popped on some mascara really quick, and then I decided I'm gonna wait to put on the lashes till the very end. So now we're kind of shading where her stitches are gonna go with that same navy blue. And then I'm just filling it in with black to make it a little darker. So we're gonna do the lips. I wanted to do kind of like a burgundy shade. It's like sort of like Christmas colors, I guess. So we're highlighting around the stitches to make them look like they're underneath, and then the skin around it is on top. And then just do random stitches all over. They don't have to be perfect. And then I'm highlighting on top of the stitches just to make them look a little more three-dimensional, and I shaded a little bit underneath with that same navy shadow. And I kind of followed like her same pattern on her clothes, but just using like Christmas colors and stuff. And then I'm popping on the Eldora lashes, of course. And I popped in some white contacts from Crazy Lenses and the wig and the hat. And there you go. It was like actually a pretty simple makeup. So I really hope you guys like this one. And if you did like it, you want to see the picture of it, go check out my Instagram. Everything's on there, as well as my TikTok. I have a lot of fun videos and stuff on there. For today's giveaway, it's going to be another fun little collection from ColourPop because they have so many cool collections, of course. So today's giveaway is going to be the Coral collection. Cute little thing. I'll have a picture of it right here so you guys can see. It's completely untouched and unused, don't worry. We also have a blush. Very cute packaging. Here's what it looks like. And then we have the highlighter. Today's giveaway. So if you want to enter the giveaway, it's super easy. Just subscribe to me here on YouTube, like today's video, and then comment down below what the secret Christmas sweater of the day was. And then finally, go over to my Instagram, follow me on Instagram, make sure you find today's post of Sally, like that post, and then comment down below with tagging 2 friends, and then you guys will be entered. So the giveaway will close tomorrow, Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and then I'll be announcing the winner on Thursday, as well as having a new video of day 9 9, so more giveaways, more fun stuff. So yeah, that's all you guys have to do. And I will see you guys on Thursday with a new look, a new video. It might be Jack Skellington. I don't know. I didn't want to tell you guys, but yeah, it's probably going to be Jack Skellington. So Thursday, new video, Jack Skellington. I'll see you guys there, and have a great day. Bye.